Welcome back to Arena Auto, your ultimate destination for discovering the world's most exciting and practical vehicles. Today, we're diving into something truly special for all the adventurers and travel lovers out there, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 luxury camper van. Yes, Dacia has officially taken a bold leap into the camper van segment, and they've done it in a way that balances affordability with functionality and rugged off-road potential. At first glance, the new 2025 Dokker 4x4 commands attention with its tough yet refined stance. The front grille has been redesigned with a more aggressive black mesh pattern, flanked by sharper LED headlamps and a sleek bumper with built-in fog lights. The higher ground clearance, matte black cladding, and all-terrain tires give it a ready-for-anything attitude, while subtle chrome accents and roof rails add a premium touch that's rare in this price segment. From the outside, it's clear that Dacia wants you to go beyond the road, and do it in style. Step inside, and you're immediately welcomed by an interior that's both practical and surprisingly refined. The cabin has been reimagined for the camping lifestyle. The layout is intelligently designed to maximize space, with high-quality materials used in key touchpoints like the leather-wrapped steering wheel, soft-touch dashboard, and premium fabric upholstery. The centerpiece of the cockpit is a new 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice command support, built-in navigation, and even off-road trail maps. Yes, it's adventure-ready from the tech side too. Now let's talk about what makes this Dokker a true camper van. The rear has been expertly converted into a micro-home on wheels. It includes a fold-out double bed that quickly transforms into a cozy sleeping area, complete with under-bed storage drawers for gear and luggage. The side panel features a compact kitchenette with a dual-burner gas stove, a 12V fridge, and a small sink with running water, all powered by an auxiliary battery with optional solar charging support. Overhead cabinets and side compartments provide enough room to store all your essentials, whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a cross-country road trip. One of the standout features is the built-in heating and ventilation system designed specifically for van life, keeping you warm during alpine camping and cool in summer deserts. Dacia has also made it modular, allowing you to remove or rearrange sections like the kitchenette or the seating area to convert the van for cargo use or extended living space. And yes, there's a pop-up roof option with an additional bed, transforming it into a 4-person camper without increasing the footprint. Under the hood, the 2025 Dokker 4x4 is powered by a 1.5L Blue DCI diesel engine paired with a 6-speed manual transmission. It pushes out 115 horsepower and around 270 Nm of torque, which might not sound groundbreaking, but it's more than capable of handling hilly terrain, muddy paths, and gravel trails with ease. The intelligent 4WD system seamlessly adapts to changing terrain and offers selectable driving modes including 2WD, Auto, and Lock. Add to that hill descent control and improved axle articulation, and you've got a van that's as capable off the road as it is comfortable on it. For safety, Dacia has upgraded the Dokker with modern tech like lane departure warning, adaptive cruise control, rear-view camera, blind spot detection, and multiple airbags, making long trips not just enjoyable but also secure for the whole family. Fuel economy is another strong point. Thanks to the lightweight build and efficient diesel unit, the Dokker 4x4 camper van delivers around 5.6 liters per 100 kilometers, which is exceptional for a fully equipped camper. Plus, its compact dimensions make it perfect for narrow European roads or urban areas where larger camper vans struggle. Now, let's talk numbers. Depending on the configuration and optional equipment, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 camper van starts around €32,000 and can go up to €39,000 for the fully loaded luxury version with the pop-up roof, solar panels, and max off-road upgrades. That's an absolute bargain when compared to other 4x4 camper vans in the market, many of which can easily cross the €70,000 mark. So who is this camper van really for? It's for the solo adventurer who wants to explore off the grid. For couples dreaming of a minimalist lifestyle on wheels. For families seeking weekend escapes without spending a fortune. And for anyone who believes the journey matters just as much as the destination. In a world where camper vans are becoming either too expensive or too compromised, the 2025 Dacia Dokker 4x4 hits that sweet spot. It brings together essential off-road capability, smart interior design, modern features, and unbeatable value. Whether you're a seasoned vanlifer or a curious first-timer, this is a vehicle that genuinely makes the camper lifestyle more accessible and realistic. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more in-depth looks at unique camper vans, SUVs, and outdoor-ready vehicles, make sure you subscribe to Arena Auto. Drop a comment below and tell us, would you take the 2025 Dokker 4x4 on your next adventure, or is there another camper van you'd love to see us review? Thanks for watching Arena Auto, where the road ends, the journey begins.